Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog and you are all watching Danny Khan Vlogs new video. So in this video I am going to unbox a packet. So this packet I have got from TCS, as TCS is one of the largest MNCs of India. And if you have not got till now, so please don't panic, as TCS is providing it region wise. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, this is the packet which I have received from Tata Consultancy Services. As you can see here, it's written also. So let's open this parcel and see what's inside. And guys, I would like to tell you one more thing, that this packet will be given to those only, those Explore program has been started and they are giving their CPAs. So I have received a Wildcraft bag and a diary. Let's open this out. So you can see that this is the Wildcraft bag in which Tata Consultancy Services badge is being given, and here it's written that TCS Explore. And this is a laptop bag, small laptop bag. And another thing is a pen in which you can see it's written also Tata Consultancy Services, and it's looking quite good. And one more thing I have received is this diary of TCS. Let us open this also. So this is the card. So this is the diary. This bag consists of two zips, as one is in the front, you can see this, and another is at the back. And in the back one you can put your laptop here also. The space is being given for the small laptop. And in the front one there is a small zip or the pocket where you can put some keys or your money. And talking about back, there is 3D mesh given, which is for the airflow. On the right hand side, a pocket is being given to put your bottles. And this is the card for quality assurance and warranty. As you can see, it's written Wildcraft 5 years warranty. I hope you enjoyed this video, so give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends, and if you have any problem related to this, do comment me in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed it, then please do subscribe. Till then, ride hard and ride safe.